Managing construction projects has always involved tight coordination, but in today's fast paced industry, spreadsheets and scattered tools just don't cut it. Contractors need systems that unify office and field operations, track financials in real time, and help deliver projects on time and on budget. That's where Viewpoint becomes essential. Viewpoint, part of the Trimble ecosystem, is an integrated construction management solution used by general contractors, subcontractors, and heavy civil firms. It's designed to streamline every phase of the project lifecycle, from estimating and job costing to document control and payroll. Unlike standalone tools, Viewpoint brings together field teams, project managers, and finance under one digital roof. In this video, we'll walk through how Viewpoint works, explain its most valuable features, and explore why it remains one of the most trusted platforms for modern construction firms. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the fully integrated construction accounting and job costing. One of Viewpoint's most powerful modules is its accounting and job costing system. Instead of managing budgets and forecasts in Excel or syncing accounting data from third party apps, Viewpoint offers real time visibility into costs, commitments, and profit margins. It supports everything from general ledger and accounts payable to subcontractor billing and change order tracking. You can spot financial issues early, accurately track how each project is performing, and simplify compliance with industry specific reporting, helping you make smarter business decisions without needing separate accounting software. Another key feature is the centralized project management with live collaboration. The project management hub lets your team handle RFIs, submittals, daily logs, meeting minutes, change orders, and punch lists from one dashboard. Workflows are customizable, notifications are automated, and every update is logged with a full audit trail. Integration with Microsoft Outlook, Excel, and Teams keeps communication in sync. Instead of chasing email threads or disconnected tools, you get full transparency and consistency across every task. This reduces delays, improves accountability, and makes it easier to deliver projects faster with fewer errors and fewer surprises. Another key feature is the Field View mobile for on site reporting. With Field View, Viewpoint brings real time reporting directly to your job site. Site managers and foremen can complete safety forms, log progress updates, conduct quality checks, and manage punch lists using a mobile device, even offline. This eliminates paperwork delays and ensures that field data is captured accurately and immediately. The result is better communication between the office and the field, with fewer gaps in reporting and faster issue resolution. Another key feature is the drawing and document management with version control. Viewpoint makes it easy to store and manage project documentation, such as drawings, contracts, specifications, photos, and more, all in one centralized location. Built-in versioning ensures everyone is working off the latest documents, and access controls help maintain security and compliance. So you eliminate confusion over outdated drawings, reduce rework, and give all stakeholders confidence that they're working with current, approved documents, saving time, money, and headaches. Another key feature is the HR, time cards, and payroll automation. Viewpoint's HR and payroll tools help construction firms handle recruiting, employee onboarding, certification tracking, and time collection. Mobile time card entry makes it easy for field workers to log hours, and payroll processing is built to handle complex union rules, job classifications, and multi state compliance. This streamlines labor management, reduces errors, and ensures employees are paid accurately and on time. It's ideal for contractors with large or distributed workforce and reduces reliance on manual data entry or third-party systems. So why is Viewpoint a great choice? What makes Viewpoint stand out is how well it understands the unique challenges of construction. It's not a generic ERP platform adapted for builders. It's built from the ground up with contractors in mind. Its strength lies in how it connects the field and the back office, giving leadership, project teams, and finance full visibility and shared data in real time. In 2025, Viewpoint continues to evolve with improved dashboards, AI assisted forecasting tools, and tighter integrations with Trimble hardware, ProEst, and Microsoft 365. So, whether you're running small private jobs or managing multiple multi-million dollar developments, Viewpoint offers the scalability and reliability construction firms need. It centralizes data, automates routine tasks, and ensures your team stay aligned from groundbreaking to closeout. So basically, if your construction team is juggling disconnected software or wasting hours on manual reports, Viewpoint can streamline your entire operation. From job costing to punch lists, payroll to document control, every part of the workflow is connected, saving time, reducing risks, and helping you deliver quality work faster. So, Viewpoint helps you bring clarity to the chaos of construction by putting every job detail into one accessible, real time platform. So, for firms ready to take control of their projects and financials without sacrificing flexibility or mobility, Viewpoint remains a leading choice in 2025. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.